Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and today we're gonna do a Coach unboxing, and this is very beautiful, guys. I saw this at coach.com and I was drawn to the color, to the look of the bag, and finally I bought it, and this is what it looks like. And this is called a bead crossbody bag in like sort of cream color. Very pretty, guys. It reminds me of a Chloe saddlebags, and it's so pretty. It has this piping in here that looks puffy, but it is actually firm when you touch it. And then the side looks like this, and the back has a back pocket where we can put our phone, and then inside has this beautiful suede lining, and it has also a zipper here and another space in here for receipts and also cards. So it's also suede lined. Very pretty, guys. It is well made, and this is the zipper, which has a nice brushed gold hardware. I noticed that the hardware it's more like a brassy color, which I love. Here it says Coach, and also here on the rivets, and here has the Coach tag. And I love that it is thick, and it has this lobster claw clasp. I also love the glazing on this bag, which is really neat. And here it says genuine glove tanned leather, and the suede material up close looks like this. Very pretty, guys. And at the back of the clasp look like this. It is not in magnetic clasp, but it's so easy to lock, as you just have to push it in like this, and then when you open it, you just have to pull it up like this. I also love that the color is more like the cream, not the whitish white color. So it's like a muted whitish color, which I love. And at the back has a lot of space where we can put our stuff. And let's see if I can put a case of the iPhone 12, and it fits well here at the back and inside. Has a lot of space as well. So currently I'm using this Louis Vuitton Speedy 20, and let's try to put it inside. And here I have my sunglasses, and this is not flimsy, this is big sunglasses. And also I have this recto verso wallet, and I have this YSL lipstick and this Purell sanitizer, hand sanitizer. And let's put it inside this bag. Put the wallet here and my sunglasses, and it looks like this, guys. If you will fill this with stuff, let me see if I can get some SLGs to put inside. And let's say I have this mini pochette and these two Chanel card holder, and let's see if it will fit in here. I'll put the mini pochette first, and of course inside has this lipstick and hand sanitizer. So mini pochette and the two Chanel card holder fits in, and I'll put this on top. And with this I cannot put the sunglasses inside because it will not fit. Oh, let me see if I'll still try to. So it actually fits, guys. So this gives you an idea that it fits 3 SLGs and 1 mini pochette, and also a Chanel sunglasses together with a hand sanitizer and the lipstick. So it really fits a lot. So these are what fits, guys. And also this and a sunglass. This is a really nice leather bag, guys, without really paying thousands of dollars. I paid $270 with this. It's 40% sale on sale, and the retail price was $450 US. And I'm gonna show you the picture here, which was modeled by Jennifer Lopez when this years ago. And it can be casual, it can be formal, it can be used for winter, it can be used for summer. I think this is an all-season bag, and I like that it has a clean look and very discreet. You wouldn't know really where is it from unless you'll pay close attention. And its structure and a classic saddle bag, which is really beautiful. If one doesn't have like a white collar bag like me, this is the best entry white bag, as it doesn't cost much, it's versatile, it's functional, and it's from Coach, which has the legacy of the workmanship. So I know all of us luxury collectors started with Coach, and I for one started with Coach bags, and I still do appreciate the Coach workmanship. It's really made well. And I got this not from the outlet store but from the coach.com website, and the Coach stores that went on sale. Those are really their mainstream bags that they put in there with better quality. And you can see here the retail is $450 US, and there's also like a Canadian price in there. This is such a pretty well-made bag, guys. As you can see, very well made. And the leather is substantial, but it's not heavy. It's thick, but you can really know that it's a good quality leather. It smells great, and I am surprised that I only paid $270 on this. So thank you guys for watching. I will do a mug shot. You'll be able to know what it looks like on. I'm 5'4", and let's go ahead and do the mug shot.